Okay, good evening, students. Nice to meet you again in English class. In today's class, we are going to learn about letters and numbers. This is the third meeting of us. And then we are going to discuss more about what is letter and what is number. And then for the objective of the study, after you learn about this English material, you are going to differ. Yeah, you are going to identify and also try to listen from the audio about letters and numbers. Oke, anak-anakku sekalian, kita berjumpa lagi in English subject, in English lesson. Di pertemuan ketiga ini, kita bicara mengenai letters and numbers. Jadi, Bu Ika percaya bahwasanya kalian semua sudah mengenal what is letter. But letter in English, yeah, you have ever learned English, yeah, about the alphabet. So you have to spell from A up to Z. Yeah. You ever also learn how to sing this kind of song? I believe that you are familiar about the song. Yeah. A, B, C, D, E, F, F, G. Okay. Take a look that this is a letter. Letter is A up to Z. So you have to spell A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. You may spell Z or Z. Nah, dari pengucapan alfabet yang sudah pernah Anda pelajari, ya, so you are going to listen to the audio after the last of this meeting. Kalian akan mendengarkan audio yang akan Bu Ika perdengarkan nanti di akhir. And then you have to identify the letters, yeah, by reading from the addresses of someone or someone's addresses. Jadi nanti kalian mencoba untuk mengenal spelling dari huruf-huruf itu melalui alamat. Ya, jadi nanti alamatnya akan ditampilkan. You have to read while you are also listening to the audio. Okay, this is the letter. For example, when you are going to say greeting, so the letter will be G, R, double E, T, I, N, G. Greeting. And how about introduction? How to spell introduction? Bagaimana mengeja introduction? So, will be I, N, T, R, O, D, U, C, T, I, O-N. Okay, this is about how to spell the letter. Ya, jadi bagaimana mengeja huruf satu persatu. Okay, letters is huruf in Bahasa Indonesia. So you have to practice spelling again. Yeah, there is a practice of spelling bee. Yeah, that you can spell more words in English. Oke, jadi bisa banyak latihan untuk spelling. And now let's check. How do you spell about the word economic? And then the word accounting. And then the word occupation. Okay. And then the word secretary. And then the last word you have to spell about manager. Manager. Okay. There are 5 words that you have to spell, and then you have to check how to spell. Practice it by using your own voice. And then you have to try, and you may sing a song for how to spell. Okay, and now we come to the second. That is about numbers. I believe that all of you is familiar about numbers. There are 2 kinds of number. Ada 2 jenis angka. Ya. In English we have cardinal number and ordinal number. What is cardinal and what is ordinal? Okay. When we discuss about cardinal number, the cardinal number relates to, or the cardinal number here refers to quantity. Jadi kalau cardinal number itu hubungannya dengan jumlah. And how about ordinal number? The ordinal number refers to, what is that? Ranks and levels. Okay, kalau kita bicara mengenai ordinal number, ordinal. Okay, I believe in mathematics, you are familiar too about the words ordinal. So the word ordinal here, ordinal, yeah, refers to tingkatan. It means you have to tell the number by using ranks and levels. Okay, what are the differences? Perbedaannya apa sih? Cardinal and ordinal. Take a look on the cardinal number. We have to say the cardinal number here in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, up to 100. Yeah, after 10 will be 11. After 20 will be 21. After 30 will be 31. And then 41. And then 51. This one, 55. 55. Okay, and many more. Dan masih banyak lagi. This is cardinal. So, cardinal number here, that is about quantity. Berarti berhubungannya dengan kuantitas, jumlah. Okay. And then, how about ordinal? Sekarang kita bicara mengenai ordinal number. If we discuss about ordinal, so as I told you before, seperti yang Bu Eka sampaikan, ordinals refers to rank and levels. If in cardinal number we say 1, so in ordinal number we have to say verse. Okay, 1 verse will be different between cardinal and ordinal number. Okay, so 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth, 5 fifth, not fifth, but fifth. Okay, repeat once more. 5 for cardinal, the ordinal will be fifth. Okay, and then sixth, use th, six, and then seventh. Okay, and then for 9, for the cardinal number, the ordinal number will be ninth. Okay, yeah, so these are the differences. And how about after 20? If we say 20 on cardinal number, on the ordinal number we have to say 21st. 21 in cardinal, 21 cardinal number. And then ordinal number will be 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Okay, these are the numbers. Now, in saying about numbers, we have a number more than 90. We have 100, we have 1,000, and then we have million, and then we have trillion, and we have brilliant. Okay, billion. This one, this is about numbers. Okay, if we have to say 100 in Bahasa, in English we can say 100. But how about bagaimana kalau 200 sampai dengan 900? But it's not necessary for you to add s on the word hundreds. Yeah, it's not necessary to be 200s. No. Okay, tidak perlu ditambah 100-nya ditambah s walaupun lebih dari 1. So just say 200 as usual. 300. But after you put the currency, what is the currency after 100 and 200? Apa itu currency? Yaitu mata uang. Setelah kata 100, setelah kata 200, setelah kata 300, kemudian dimasukkan mata uangnya di belakang. Like rupiahs, and then pounds, and then dollars, and then euros. Ya, ada beberapa mata uang seperti itu. So, you can add s on the currencies. Di mata uangnya boleh ditambahkan s. For example, 100 rupiah. How about 200? 200 rupiahs. Okay, we have to put S after the word rupiah. Setelah kata rupiah, kita beri S. And how about euro? The same as euro. Okay. If we talk about euro, so this is about currency. 100 euro. More than 1, 200 euros. Yang ditambah S-nya bukan 100-nya, tetapi euros-nya. And then the next example, dollars. Ya, this currency is familiar for you. Dolar itu sangat familiar, mata uang yang paling luar biasa tingginya ya. That is about dollar. $100. That's one. And how about more than one? $300. So it's not necessary to put hundreds dollars. No. But the correct one is $300. Okay. That's one. This is about the learning of letters and numbers. Okay, so remember, saya anak pertama. How can we say in English? Dalam bahasa Inggris mengungkapkan anak pertama. Is anak pertama a rank or a quantity? Apakah anak pertama itu jumlah atau peringkat? Of course, this is level or this is rank. So you have to say in English, saya anak pertama. In English, you can say, I am the first child. I am the first child. Or I am the first kid. Okay, this one. This is about level. And how about quantity? The quantity, for example, 1 tambah 1. What is in English? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to, 1 plus 1 equals to, what is it? 2. Not second, but 2. 1 ditambah 1 itu adalah 2. Okay, that is not the second. Bukan yang kedua. This is quantity. Okay, so if we discuss about quantity, kalau kita bicaranya kuantitas, so you have to use cardinal number. Penggunaannya dengan cardinal number. If we discuss about rank or levels, kalau kita bicaranya sudah menuju tingkatan, ya, so you have to use first, second, ordinal number. Okay, this is about learning of the letter and numbers. Yeah, when we discuss about numbers, there are so many numbers in English. Yeah, 100, 1,000. Yeah, if we talk about 1,000, 1,000 rupiah. This is almost the same with 100. Sama dengan 100, 1000. Ya, and then 1 juta. Ya, that is the same. Tidak ada bedanya. So we have to put S ya after currency, setelah mata uangnya yang ditambah S. So euro become euros, rupiah rupiahs, and then dollar dollars, then pound pounds. Okay, this is about the currencies. So 1.500 rupiah, 1.500 euro. So you have to say 1,500 rupiahs. Okay, and then 1,500 euros. And now that is about the characteristic of 100, which has a different character with the other number. Ada karakter ratusan yang berbeda dengan yang lainnya. Berbeda dengan ribuan, berbeda dengan jutaan, berbeda dengan triliunan, dan juga briliun. Remember, for example, I give you this number. 155. How to say in English? In English we can say 100 or 100. Both of them are similar. Dua-duanya sama, boleh. Boleh, you may use 100, you may use 100. Both of them are true. So 155. Okay, after the word 100, you have to put N as a conjunction. Jadi ada N-nya untuk menyambungkan kata 100. So 300, 321. How to say in English? 321, because this is quantity. Okay, if we talk about this one, it is not about quantity, about the ranks. Berarti peringkat ke-321. So you have to say, kalau peringkatnya levelnya 321, so will be in 321st rank. 321st rank. Okay. So take a look of the differences between 100 and now 1,000. In 1,000, we don't need to put N. Kita tidak perlu meletakkan kata N. 1.155. How to say in English? 100, what is it? 1,000, 1,000, 155. The word N will be in 100. Setelah kata 100 N-nya. Jadi kalau 1.000 tidak perlu pakai N. It's not necessary to use N after the word 1.000, 2.000, 3.000. Tidak perlu. Ya. But how about in saying years, Bu? Bagaimana kalau mengungkapkan tahun, Bu? Apakah tahun itu menggunakan N? Yes. In saying years, you may use N. All of them are true. 2002. So will be 2002 or 2002 if we discuss about year. That is not about quantity. Yeah. we discuss for the specialties, spelling, and then pronouncing about year. Jadi kalau pengucapan tahun itu specialties. Jadi dia bukan termasuk dalam kuantitas, bukan termasuk dalam jumlah. Jadi the special one, gitu ya. Jadi 2020 will be, you can say 2020. That is true. In the year 2020. And then 2020. That is right. 2020. That is right too. Okay. So, yeah, don't try to be afraid. Don't be afraid in saying the numbers. We are going to practice together and then learning together how to use numbers and letters in English. Okay, now it is time for you to practice listening. Yeah, I deliver to you worksheet. Yeah, Bu Eka kasihkan lembar kerja, and then you have to practice listening. Yeah, and write down the answer based on the audio that I delivered to you. Yeah, this is for the first. And then you have to check, yeah, and how is your competence in listening. Yes, Eka will try to check about the competence of your listening in trying to identify about letters and numbers. Okay, student, this is what I can explain about the material of the third meeting. So, if you have any questions, yeah, you can ask me in WA group. You may ask anything in Bahasa Indonesia or in English. If you can ask me in English, it will be better. Ya, jadi lebih bisa bagus kalau mau bertanya dengan bahasa Inggris. You need to try. Semuanya mencoba. Kalau tidak pernah mencoba, berarti nggak akan pernah bisa. Kalau sudah mencoba, tahu salahnya. Setelah tahu salahnya, bisa tahu benarnya. Karena sudah mencoba. So, don't be afraid to try. Jangan takut untuk mencoba. Okay? This is the practice time for you to listen to the audio. I will deliver the worksheet on the link of the description of this video. Bu Eka kasih link yang ada di deskripsi video ini, yang ada di channel Bu Eka ini. Silahkan diklik. Anda bisa mendownload untuk the worksheet and also the audio. Listen carefully to the audio and check your answer on the answer sheet. We are going to discuss together and then I will give you the correct answer from the listening practice. Okay, student, this is about our learning. Thank you very much. And then we are going to meet again on the next meeting on the different material. Learning is the best experience. Thank you. See you again next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.